Okay, now after the connection of the system, I will turn on the system and show you how to operate. First, we need to turn on the battery breaker of the diesel generator. Okay, this is the breaker. Okay, now turn on, and after a few seconds, we see this is the control board of the diesel generator. It will turn on. Okay, then next step is turn on the lithium battery bank. Turn on the breaker, and then we'll wait for about 10 seconds. Okay, now the lithium battery bank voltage is 256.8 volts. Okay, then turn on the battery switch of the inverter. Then our three-phase inverter will be on. Oh, okay, now the inverter is on. See, inverter is on, and then wait for a few seconds. See, now the output phase power is 231. Okay, okay. After the inverter is on, then next step is turn on the PV switch. Okay, turn on the PV switch. Then on the screen you will see the solar voltage. Now the solar array voltage is 321 volt. Okay, and wait for about 15 seconds. It will start to charge the lithium battery. And then next step, after you do all this connection with the diesel generator, we turn on the grid power. This is grid power input, grid power. And grid power will show on the diesel generator's control board, see? 405 volt. And this icon will also on, see? This man. And after the grid power is ready, then press this auto. Okay? Okay, now after this auto, then it will start to supply power to the inverter. Okay, when this ATS is ready, you turn on the breaker. Turn on the breaker of the inverter. This is AC switch. Okay, see, now the grid power is on. It's connecting our inverter. Okay, now also the solar is also charging. Okay, that means the system is ready to work. It's ready to work. Let's start to take the loads. Okay, if it is ready to take this take the loads, then turn on this output switch. Okay, now it's taking the loads. See, three phase. Each phase is taking about 1.6 kilowatt. Okay. I will take more loads to make the voltage down. When the voltage go down to 255, then it will switch to use grid power. Okay, okay. Okay, now the voltage is going down. 255 is just a test voltage. Okay, after the test, I will set it correctly. Okay, okay, now switch already. Now the inverter is using grid power. See, bypass. Inverter is using the grid power to take the loads. And it shows inverter off. That means the inverter is not using the battery bank power. See? Now all the power from the solar and the grid power is charging the battery bank. See, it's charging 28 ampere. Okay, and next step, I will do the test to see whether the generator's ATS breaker can work normally or not. Okay, then I will turn off the breaker. This is a grid power's breaker. Okay, I turn off the breaker. Okay, come here. See, the data generator need to wait about 3 seconds. Okay, now the data generator is on. It's on. And then wait for about 10 seconds. Wait for about 10 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. It will start to run, and then the voltage will come up. See, the voltage is coming up. This is the diesel generator's power, 400 watt. Okay, I need to wait about 10 seconds more. Then the switch, then this switch will return to this side. See, now it's working. See, now this is using the diesel generator's power. This voltage is coming from the diesel generator. Okay. But because at that time the grid power is cut, so the inverter automatically switch to use battery bank power to take the load. That means, you see the inverter is on. That means the inverter right now is using the battery's power. We need to wait for the voltage come down again. Then the inverter will use the diesel generator's power. Okay, bypass again. See, bypass again, and then the inverter is off. See, this inverter is. That means now the inverter is using diesel generator's power. Inverter is using diesel generator's power to take the load. Okay, and then next step, I will turn on the grid power again. That means when the grid power come again, the diesel generator will turn off automatically. Okay. Now I turn on the breaker again. From this side. See, the diesel generator is detecting. Now the grid power is 404 volts. See, wait for a few seconds. Okay, see. Now the ATS is using the grid power, to take the loads. See, inverter is off, but still taking the loads. Now the inverter is using grid powers to take the loads. And wait for about 1 minute. Now still have 36 seconds. Then the diesel generator will stop, will turn off. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Now still have 10 seconds. Okay, now the diesel generator is off. Okay, now that the generator is off. Okay, this is the complete operation procedure for you to how to operate our solar and diesel generator hybrid power system. Thank you.